Hey there, welcome back to Avian Feathers. Have you ever watched a baby bird hatch? Or seen a fluffy chick leave the nest for the very first time? Birds may seem like they've got it all together. Wings, flight, feathers. But they all start the same way, as a tiny egg. Today we're walking through the incredible journey from egg to fledgling. How birds grow up, what challenges they face, and how their parents help them along the way. If you're into bird life cycles and behind-the-scenes nature stories, give this video a like and hit subscribe. We post every week. Let's hatch this topic wide open. The egg stage. Every bird begins inside a hard-shelled egg, protected by a nest, a parent's warmth and time. The mother, or sometimes both parents, incubate the egg by sitting on it. For most songbirds, that's about 10 to 14 days. Larger birds, up to a month. Inside the egg, the chick is developing bones, feathers, organs, and muscles. It even absorbs the yolk for energy, like packing a lunch before it's born. When it's ready, the chick uses a special egg tooth to break through the shell, a process called pipping. That's right, it has to fight its way into the world. Seen a chick hatch in real life? Drop in the comments, we'd love to hear where. Newly hatched chicks are often wet, blind, and helpless, especially in songbirds. Others, like ducks and chickens, hatch fully feathered and ready to move. These two types have names. Altricial chicks, born helpless, need constant care. Robins, sparrows, owls. Precocial chicks, born ready to walk, peck, and follow mom. Ducks, shorebirds, quail. Altricial chicks are completely dependent. They can't open their eyes, regulate temperature, or feed themselves. That's why nests are so important, and why some bird parents feed their chicks dozens of times a day. Which do you think has it tougher, altricial or precocial chicks? Let's debate in the comments. Feeding and rapid growth. Birds grow fast, really fast. Some double their weight in just 24 hours. Within a week or two, they go from pink blobs to fluffy, loud, food-demanding juveniles. Parents bring food constantly. Insects, worms, seeds, fish, depending on the species. Some birds can feed multiple chicks at once, adjusting the portions depending on who's hungriest. And in some species, older siblings help raise younger ones, called cooperative breeding. Did you know birds grow this fast? If that surprised you, send this to someone who needs to know. Getting feathers and opening eyes. As chicks grow, their feathers begin to poke through, tiny quills that unfurl into down and contour feathers. They also open their eyes, stretch their legs, start to preen, clean their feathers, flap their wings for practice. In altricial birds, this all happens in just 7 to 14 days. A blink in the bird world. The transformation is incredible. It's like watching evolution on fast forward. Watching chicks grow is like fast forwarding evolution. Tag someone who'd be amazed too.
Fledgling.
Leaving the nest. When a chick is ready, it becomes a fledgling, a bird that has left the nest but isn't fully independent yet. Fledging usually happens when their feathers are developed and their wings are strong enough to flutter, not soar. Some fledglings hop out of the nest and hide in nearby bushes. Others take clumsy first flights. Contrary to popular belief, if you see a fledgling on the ground, it's not always abandoned. The parents are usually nearby. This stage can last days to weeks as the parents teach them how to forage, fly, and survive. Have you ever helped a fledgling off a sidewalk? Let us know. And don't forget, if it has feathers, it's probably fine. Independence and juvenile life. After fledging, young birds gradually become independent. They learn how to find food, avoid predators, recognize territory, join flocks or claim space. In many species, parents slowly stop feeding them. In others, like raptors, the parents may provide support for up to 2 months. Some birds, like swifts and swallows, leave the nest and start migrating within weeks. No training wheels. Some birds go from fledging to migration in weeks. Can you imagine? Comment with the bird you think grows up fastest. Nest failures and second chances. Not every egg makes it to fledgling stage. Nests can fail due to predators, weather, human disturbance, competition. But many birds lay multiple clutches in a season, especially if the first fails early. Some robins nest 3 to 4 times in one summer. Every new egg is a second chance. Every fledgling is a win. Cheer on the bird parents doing their best by dropping a kind word in the comments. From tiny eggs to awkward chicks to first flight, growing up is tough for birds. But with smart parenting, fast growth, and a little instinct, birds pull off one of nature's greatest transformations. The next time you see a nest, a chick, or a fledgling on your walk, take a second to appreciate the miracle in progress. What part of the bird life cycle fascinates you most? Tell us in the comments. And if this video gave you a whole new view of how birds grow up, give it a like and share it with someone who loves nature as much as you do. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly stories from Avian Feathers. And as always, birds are awesome.